Recording.
All right, so I'm on US 128, I'm sorry, US 28 south. I am south of Highlands, North Carolina. I'm behind two SUVs from the great state of Florida. I'm pretty sure we are not going to see another North Carolina tag for the next few miles, because there aren't any people in North Carolina who are wealthy enough to live in Highlands, North Carolina. But we're going to take US 28 south, and just into Georgia, we're going to take a right on a road called Warwoman, and I'll make another video for Warwoman. Entering Savannah River Basin. So the water from the Savannah River comes from up here in the mountains and flows down. So we're headed downhill. We're done with Highlands, we're going downhill now. This is a October morning, prime leaf peeper season. And I get to follow two people from Florida. I haven't been on this road this year. It's been a while. I might not have been on this road last year. This road's really nice though. There's some good views. I don't know if you can see the view through these trees, but it's nothing but mountains in the distance. Here, I'll go slow by this so you can hear, so you can actually look out there. Look at that. Look, 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 look. The view going down the mountain is a lot better than going up. It's more fun to use this road as a racetrack going up the mountain. But we are blessed that we get to follow SUVs. And these aren't soccer moms either. These are like soccer grandparents. Great grandparents. I'm thinking they're together, because there's 4 people in this Lexus, and I think there's 4 people in that Jeep. They're Seminole fans. FSU CKS. Nope, they won't use the pull-off. Florida people do not like pull-offs. They don't like going the speed limit, and they don't like pull-offs. They do like the brakes though, don't they? Nope, we're not going to use that pull-off either. Even though that pull-off's a scenic overlook, we're not going to use that one. We're going so slow, a full-size Ram pickup truck has already caught up to us. A full-size Ram 2500 four-door pickup truck has caught up to us. That's when you know you can't drive in the mountains. Okay, we just left the Nantahala National Forest. Yeah, they're together. FSU CKS on the back of this one as well. And if you're watching this from Florida, you don't have to be so inconsiderate. If there's 3 or 4 vehicles backed up behind you, pull off. It's almost time for North Carolina to repave this road. They won't, but it's almost time. They'll cover it with tar snakes. Somebody got a fireplace going. They're burning hickory. That is a wonderful smell. I'm already hungry. Now I'm hungry for barbecue. Have y'all got yourselves one of those Traeger grills yet? I actually have 2 of them, and I've been running them grills, and man, around my house when I'm smoking, between the meat and the smell of the pellets, I use the applewood pellets. It smells good in my part of the mountains. Originally, I started with the Traeger 575, and that was really cool. It would tell my phone and tell my Google Home hubs what my smoker was doing. but it really wasn't big enough to feed 20 people. So I bought a great big one. I'm not sure what the number of it is, but it's big. I can do like, well, the most I've done is 6 full slabs of ribs on it using rib racks. But that thing's it's not hooked up to my smart home devices like the 575, but I can put a lot of meat on that grill and just let it go. I've done ribs, pork butt, I've done pork sirloins. That one's actually my pork grill. My 575 is my beef grill. That way I don't cross-contaminate for some people who have religious beliefs that they can't eat pork products, which I'm okay with, except when I wrap my beef with bacon. Then I have to be choosy who I invite over. They did so much patchwork on this road, they should have gone ahead and just repaved it, I think. What do y'all think? I mean, if you're going to patch this many sections, why not just put a layer of asphalt down, smooth it out, call it good? This road used to be so tar snaked. Not long ago either. I gotta go. And we're back. Drive like your kids live here. You notice they don't put a sign out there, drive like my kids do, because their kids probably drive like crap. Be like giving a Gen Z a car with a 5-speed transmission in it. They wouldn't even know what that third pedal was on the floorboard. Look how pretty that is. Thank you for letting me by. Speed limit on this road used to be 55 miles an hour. All of these roads, right? North Carolina, back in the day, that didn't seem like they'd waste any money on a street sign. Now they have street signs everywhere, 35 mile an hour. You come into the state, it says statewide speed limit 55 unless otherwise posted. And they'll post 30 and 35 mile an hour street signs all over the countryside. And you know it's just so they can recover revenue. Get out here in the middle of nowhere, write tickets to people for speeding. There's nobody out here. You and me and this Nissan, that's all that's out here. Now that Nissan's gonna outrun us. They just woke up and said, oh, a motorcycle caught us. I'm faster than the motorcycle. Watch this. I'm going to outrun the motorcycle right up to the crash. We're probably going to the same place. I didn't get a look at what his tag was. It didn't look like North Carolina. Here, I'll get up there. I think it's Georgia. It's either Georgia or South Carolina. That's where this road goes. Yeah, I think it's South Carolina. This road goes to Walhalla, South Carolina. That is a pleasant little town if you ever decide that you're going to take this road. Don't take this road on a Sunday to go to Walhalla. You'll be very disappointed if you look for somewhere to eat. Because there aren't any places to eat that are open on a Sunday in Walhalla. Ask me how I know. Alright, so here's our road. So I'm going to shut it off here. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. This is Warwoman.